Hello friends, welcome to my channel, my name is Kim. I show everyone how to properly trade binary options and also show you to the easiest and most profitable strategies for you. Before starting this video, I recommend you to subscribe to my closed Telegram channel where I post free signals with 90% accuracy. Link in the description, and we start our trading. So today we work with the RCI. Let's take a look and work it through. We got three RCIs. The first one is ascending. We're gonna open our position following with this RCI, the upper one. When we see an upward dynamics, we look at the signals and we're gonna use them. We also have this middle RCI, which is literally in the middle. We are gonna check it as well, focusing on the trend. So we should concentrate on the trend that currently prevails, and we also have this lower RCI. This one is oriented on working with downward dynamics, and signals like this are gonna be our trade entry points. Meanwhile, the Zig Zag and Fractal are gonna be our supporting indicators to indicate local highs and lows. So that's it. I have nothing more to add. During my training session, you will learn how to succeed in trading with this strategy, and we're gonna open position on 1 minute time frame. Today we will start with $50, so and I'm not gonna drag this out any longer. Let's pick out the first currency pair and finally get down to trading and find the better trade entry. There we go. That's what we were looking for. Selection the workspace. We understand that the upward dynamics prevails here. The touch of the support zone takes place. And we also see exactly at this point the crossing of the oversold zone while the upward dynamics prevails, and based on this we open a long position here, guys. And I also wanna point out that the local low has updated according to the Zig Zag and Fractal. That's why we expecting the breakout to the upside. So the price is holding above our trade entry point so far. There are 10 seconds left before the closing, and let's just watch the price movement. And our position has been closed, guys, with a profit. We calculated timing for the trade entry perfectly. So you see that the candle went down, but our position is in profit anyway. Let's refresh the page. Well, we also wait, guys. Okay, we got it, and let's also change the trade amount, put down full amount. And let's carry on our trading, guys. Let's find another currency pair. So here I see a potentially good short position. Selection the workspace. Here we pay attention to the updating of the local high right here. The updating is happening according to the Zig Zag and Fractal. We can identify the flat here. I mean the price is moving from the support zone up to the resistance zone. Look at this zigzag shape, and I guess everything should be clear. We see the crossing on the lower RCI. That's why we open the short position, and let's wait for the outcome. Also early on you see this good little pump to the upside. The upward has happened, and then we observe the downwards dynamics, and it's very likely that the price will go lower. And Yes, another position is in the profit, guys. As you see, not a big deal, guys. And now let's update the trade amount and carry on with our analysis. So let's continue, guys, and let's find the next currency pair. Getting back to the analysis. So we see the crossing here and open a long position. There is nothing complicated, guys. We just play out the signal from our strategy. Also a little bit of technical analysis and trend indicators help us out here. This is the support zone, guys. We see several touch and the support zone is doing great. And basically after this correction we are expecting this breakout to the upside. Also our upper RCI is facing upward. It's crossed the oversold zone, the zone 45. That's why we open a long here. That's the only option here according to our strategy. And again, we're gonna expect a positive outcome because we already see a good pump, guys. There are several seconds left before the closing. And another position is in the profit, guys. Let's change the trade amount, put down all the money here. Also, as always, let's continue the analysis. So here is a good trade entry for a long, guys. You know why? The upward dynamics prevails. The upper RCI, the ascending RCI is rejection from the oversold zone, and it seems like the upward dynamics will get its continuation because we see a great correction here to the downside. Also see the hitting of the support zone in these points. And I think the rebound is imminent here and the position will be in profit, guys. We see the upward dynamics. We have cat a little missing here for the trade entry, but anyway, I guess it's not gonna be a mistake because you see, guys, that the strategy shows a great result again. The signals is clearly justified and the position in profit, guys. Very nice. Let's change the trade amount, continue our trading session, carry on the analysis and find the better trade entry. So we are not gonna slow down here. Let's find the next currency pair, carry on our technical analysis. Here we should definitely open a long, probably no the best trade entry, but still it's acceptable because we observe an uptrend here. And if we take a look at our upper RCI, ascending RCI, we see the rejection from the oversold zone, and basically a good correction has already happened here, and it's acceptable for the nature of the price movement, I think, guys. So, and for this level we are gonna expect the breakout to the upside. Okay, to breakout seems to be happening and our trade entry looks good now. Of course we could have opened better. Nevertheless, there are 10 seconds left before the closing. Let's watch the outcome, guys. And again our position is in the profit, guys. Again our signals was clearly justified, so you can see that yourself and the signals are precise. So let's refresh the page and continue our trading session. There is no stopping here. Find the next currency pair. Well, and find a good trade entry. Here we also open a long position, guys. We have opened here before, and let's pick up the signal again. Basically our previous position here was closed in profit. We see a little pullback. However, here is the same trade entry. In the first case, to the breakout, it happened here. You see that we opened here and it ended up in profit, guys. Then theoretically we are expecting the rejection again, I mean the future crossing on the oversold zone. Basically we are waiting for the pullback, the updating of the local low is happening, and we expecting to the breakout. We're seeing the touch of the oversold zone already. There are literally 10 seconds left before the closing. And again, our long position is in a profit, guys. You see the breakout. Imagine, guys, how accurate the strategy is. Here we cut the first pullback and here is the second one. Considering this huge correction, I think this is a good result, and we're not gonna slow down here. Let's find another currency pair for the better trade entry. Let's see what do we got here, guys. Here the touch is happening, and in theory we can play out the correction and open a short. But I'm gonna stick to my own strategy, and I've opened two long position, and I will explain why we should act like that. We don't look at the lower RCI, we look the upper one, and basically we understand that it's heading to the overbought zone and it's still below this level, and strong correction to the downside is very likely to happen. Here we observe a little pullback, after which the price is gonna go to the local high, which was updated in this zone, and then a good correction followed up. And as I explained, I'm gonna wait for the breakout to the upside. Okay, guys, so you see the breakout, the trend is continuing in the upward dynamics exactly as I predicted, and our position is in a profit, guys. And let's open a 3000 position in order to consolidate the results and eventually fix our profit. Let's continue our trading. And open our final positions, guys. So here we're gonna open a long position here. Some of them could probably be closed at loss because of these different levels of trade entries, not at the same place. But still, I think I don't have to explain the principle of trade entry to you guys. It's very likely that the similar type of price movement is forming here, the upward dynamics. And the correction is over at this level. The updating of the local low has happened according to the Zig Zag and Fractal, and basically we could even see on this upper RCI then it's near the zone, the oversold zone, and I guess we should expect the breakout to the upside again because the crossing seems to be happening, and in fact we can already see a good breakout already, and our position have been closed with a profit, guys. We got $6,000 on our balance. We started out from $55 and now we got $6,300, guys. I guess this is a great result. As you could, the strategy works perfectly, very nice. And let's go withdrawal. Let's withdraw $6,300. My Bitcoin wallet. Press the continue button, and so our transaction has been processed. I will attach the screen where it's down below this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget subscribe, like, and to go my closed Telegram channel. We will trade and earn together.